How often do you head online to check out a symptom of an illness that you might be experiencing? Well, more than likely, you might end up on your government-run health service website. Several of them here that we've pinpointed. And there you might ask intimate questions. And we know some of the questions you might ask online. It might be about your pregnancy. It might be, how do I terminate my pregnancy? Help, I have HIV. What's next? When you land on one of those pages, it's a website that you trust. We know that when we scroll through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, that there's a kind of relationship between us and the people that run those sites, that they're using our data. You don't expect the same when you land on a government-run website. Well, a new report from the Danish consultancy Cookiebot has revealed actually that might not be the case. They have revealed that nearly 90%, 89% of EU member state websites had third-party ad tracking companies looking at what you're searching online and harvesting the data. In total, 112 ad tracking companies working on government-run websites. In France alone, 52 companies operating on those websites. If we go a little bit closer in, it's this intimate data that they're collecting. In France here, we see 21 different companies were monitoring abortion services, search terms relating to that. In Germany, 63 companies monitoring a single web page on just maternity leave. But what does that actually mean? It's your data and a third party using these government websites is collecting it. Well, we spoke to one of the authors of the report, someone from Cookiebot. This is Daniel Johnson, and he explained when they've got your data, what happens next.
They collect this information to build a profile, a very detailed description of who you are. And these data, they are very valuable. That's their main economy. That's why they're able to provide their services for free. And the data are sold to anybody who wants to buy them, really. Mostly to advertisers who want to target ads to you. But it could also be insurance companies, employers, anybody who can have an interest in you in some way or the other.
This professor of security engineering at Cambridge University, Ross Anderson, sums up the gravitas of this. 25 of the 28 EU states are breaking data protection laws, tracking on their own websites. Now, what's clear is they weren't aware that this third-party monitoring was even taking place. The European data rights group sum it up. They say this report shows how pervasive and broken online ad tracking remains. It means when you click on those websites, you can't be sure of who's collecting your data and where it ends up.